Welcome to a quintessential East Maine haven. Sits on over 300 plus acres of stunning Atlantic coastline. This historic farm boasts a beautifully renovated antique farmhouse, a charming post and beam barn, and multiple outbuildings. Explore the expansive acreage, which includes meadows, mature forests, a stream, and an otter pond, all protected by a thoughtful conservation easement. With its perfect blend of natural beauty, historic charm, and modern conveniences, this property offers endless possibilities. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.